This sweet and sour sauce is 10 times better than store-bought, ready in just 5 minutes. 1/2 cup pineapple juice, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup vinegar, white or apple cider, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cornstarch plus 2 tablespoons water, slurry. In a pan, add pineapple juice, sugar, vinegar, ketchup and soy sauce. Turn heat to medium and stir well until everything dissolves. Let it gently simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the cornstarch slurry and keep stirring. Watch it thicken into a glossy, rich sauce in seconds. Turn off heat. Your sweet and sour sauce is ready. Try this at home and taste the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what will you pair this sauce with?